Good morning, and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in the dollar-yen pair, where we'll be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The dollar-yen pair has fallen 0.1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI has collapsed into neutral territory. Bitcoin has added 7.9% in the last 3 sessions. The ultimate oscillator has cooled down and is now giving a neutral signal. The price of gold has stood still in the last session. The MACD remains in the positive zone. The price of crude oil has stood still in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
OPEC and its allies, led by Russia, stand ready to adjust their plans for a gradual increase in oil output by 2 million barrels per day in the next months, depending on market conditions. The United Kingdom began the new year outside the European Union's orbit after ending a tempestuous 48-year liaison with the European project, its most significant geopolitical shift since the loss of empire. The December jobs report will be the main economic data release in a busy first week of the year, along with a look at the trade deficit.
Thank you for this. Now coming up, today's major economic events.
The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions will be released at 20:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 16:30 GMT. Spain's market manufacturing PMI at 8:15 GMT. Germany's market manufacturing PMI will be released at 8:55 GMT, UK's market manufacturing PMI at 9:30 GMT, the UK's consumer credit at 9:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.